let me share 4 quick hacks that can help you with emotional eating. Hack number 1. Make sure that you keep a food diary where you write down what you eat, when you eat it, and how are you feeling before and after. Tip number 2. Healthy snacks. Make sure that you consume snacks like nuts and fruits and energy bars daily. Tip number 3. Brush your teeth and see all your cravings vanish. Tip number 4. Drink black coffee because this can actually help you to suppress your appetite. Try those tips and let me know in the comments below what's your most favorite.